Hi everyone, I'll show you how to replace the back glass if it's cracked for you and camera glass, both of this. So first we'll have to remove this back glass to replace it, and then I'll show you during the removal how to replace your camera glass on the Note 9, as you can see right here. So let's start. We need to heat it up so it come off much easier than I usually just do one side, and then if I need, I go to different sides after. So just use a knife just to get the first part up, go between, stick it in, go up. Now you can use this thing or something to go all the way around. You'll need to go all the way around. And keep going all the way around. Cut adhesive. If you need heat gun, keep using more. Shoot, just went up. Okay, I'm gonna use some more heat on this side so it comes off much easier. So start back here where it came off, and now go to here and go all the way. It's coming off. Don't go too deep because you have a cable right here. It's your fingerprint is connected, so got this stuff. Okay, now try to use one of those things to lift it up. Careful once you remove because you have a connector right here. So now we'll need to remove this fingerprint and then camera glass all the way around. So go all the way around. You have to do same stuff. Go all the way around and then push on it, and I'll come out. So push on it and then remove this thing. So you'll need to remove extra. Just push on it and it's gonna come out the actual fingerprint. As you can see right here, I pushed on it and it came out your fingerprint. So you separate the camera glass and the fingerprint. That's how easy to remove to replace the camera glass. So you can just buy a new piece of glass like this, and then install it in. So once you are ready to replace the new back cover, you put the phone, and then you stick the. You install. First thing, you'll need to install the fingerprint, and then go with your camera glass on top of it, stick it in, and then install your new glass on top. As you can see right here, just like the way we removed it, super easy. And then go all the way around, press on it, make sure every corner sticks to it, and then you have replaced back glass on your Galaxy Note 9 and the camera glass and fingerprint. So it's really easy. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more videos, and bye bye.